Disgraced former Malaysian leader appears in court, as 1MDB super yacht sold. Disgraced former Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak appeared in court Wednesday over corruption accusations related to the sprawling 1MDB scandal, as on the same day, the country's government finally began the process of recouping some of the nearly $5 billion allegedly stolen from the fund. Malaysian officials said Wednesday they would sell a luxury super yacht belonging to the alleged mastermind of the 1MDB financial scandal for about half its estimated value. Prosecutors, news of the sale came as Najib appeared in court for the first time for the alleged corruption and abuses of power. Both he and Jolo, Najib pleaded not guilty to all charges against him, as Attorney General Tommy Thomas promised to prove that the former PM, who once held near the Equanimity, bought by Jolo in 2014, included an onboard hospital, space for 26 guests and 33 crew, as well as a sauna, steam room, and swimming pool. It was valued at around $250 million, but will sell for the relative bargain price of $126 million, Thomas said Wednesday. That is the largest. Thomas said that Gentayang Malaysia Berhad, the holdings firm, will purchase the yacht, which Malaysia seized in 2018 and has struggled to get rid of. The super yacht is only one of many, including jewelry and handbags worth millions of dollars, paintings by Picasso and Basquiat, and property in New York and Los Angeles. Embezzled money was also allegedly used to fund the production of the billions of dollars were allegedly stolen from the 1MDB fund over the years, laundered through a variety of offshore and dummy accounts around the world. Blame for the huge scandal has largely fallen on Najib, whose dramatic election loss in May last year. Within days of the stunning election loss, Najib and his wife were barred from leaving the country. Police soon, in July 2018, 3 years after the first 1MDB stories began emerging, Najib was charged with 4 counts of corruption. The charge sheet was his wife, Rosmah Mansar, whose spending with funds allegedly embezzled from 1MDB had helped fuel public outrage, was arrested months later. Both the former first couple's trials have been repeatedly delayed, however, as Najib has remained an important political figure and seen something of a reinvention as a man. Analysts said that Najib's best bet for avoiding jail, considering the vast array of charges against him, is to hope his allies are returned to power at the country's next election in 2023, if the trial is still going on then.